And it's harder now to vote. You rob women of their rights to plan their families. Gay or straight or trans or poor or worthless and we were before. You've ignored us, so now you pissed off grandma. Social Security's in danger and our Medicare is too. Folks are dying every day for lack of health care. You keep prisoners locked in cages, workers can't get living wages. This is cruel, and we're really pissed off grandmas. Well, you're stealing public taxes to support those private schools, and you're banning books and teaching whitewash history. With our teachers unsupported and our immigrants deported, feel the wrath of these truly pissed off grandmas. We see fat cats getting richer on the spoils of your war. You buy bombs and drones while kids can't get school lunches. Please say stop your racist wars and start listening to the poor. Wake up and hear us, 'cause now you pissed off grandma. We've heard you claim you're pious Christians as self-righteous as can be, while our veterans sleep homeless on our sidewalks. And while folks are going broke, you're concerned about who's woke. You're lousy hypocrites, and now you pissed off grandma. But we grannies have grown wise to your creed and to your lies, and we know wrong from right and right from wrong. We'll keep singing through our pain with the Poor People's Campaign and vote you out, 'cause you really pissed off grandma. We'll vote you out now because you pissed off grandma.